If you are looking for some spiritual attractions in Bali, Ubud is the place where your journey begins. Filled with temples, art galleries, yoga studios, spiritual retreats, placed in a fairy tale natural environment, in Ubud you might encounter various spiritual experiences. Today, we make a tour in Ubud district, located on the Indonesian island of Bali. But before, if you didn't until now, please subscribe down below. My channel, it's about life, about 21st century international nomad lifestyle. Join me, and we'll have great experiences to enrich our knowledge. We'll explore traditions and habits in different corners of the world, and we'll find best places where to feel alive. I'm in Bali. Ubud is a district located in the Indonesian island of Bali. So we'll make the Ubud tour.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's start.
First, maybe rafting, water, Bali's ATV,
Yeah.
motor like.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
We see on the way what's happened. We have 10 hours, huh?
Okay, yeah. Kalau mau.
Yeah. What to do? I'm a bit upset because my my selfie stick, this one, broke a little bit, but I put a bit of glue. Let's see. I hope to be able to record something nice today.
Yeah. Okay.
Ubud is known as Arts and Culture Center and also for yoga studios and spiritual attractions. In the late 19th century, the feudal lords were significant supporters of the village's increasingly renowned arts scene. In 1952, the Spanish artist Antonio Blanco moved and lived in Ubud until his death in 1999. Another burst of creative energy came in the 1960s after the arrival of Dutch painter Harry Smith and the development of the young artists movement. Hello, sir. Hello. This one very sweet, huh? Very sweet.
It's temulawak. Name is temulawak. Temulawak.
Natural.
Natural.
Well, this one is very good. This one is the strawberry.
Kunyit ya? Apa masak kunyit?
Turmeric.
Ya. Natural.
Jamu.
Jamu jagung. Strong. Strong juice banana. Good for your body.
What is it? Banana?
Banana.
Dry. Hello, what you do there?
Hello.
Hello. Which one?
Crispy.
Crispy, yeah.
Banana crispy.
The place was originally important as a source of medicinal herbs and plants, Ubud getting its name from the Balinese word Ubad, meaning medicine. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. What you have? Maybe I buy a dress for me. Yeah. Welcome to Bali.
Yeah. Welcome.
A legend since 19th century tells about a Javanese priest who meditated at the confluence of two rivers at the Ubud locality of Kampungan, where he founded the Gunung Lebah temple. various Balinese spas, but also holistic healing treatments, energy healing, and Ayurvedic medicine techniques. Yoga is also very popular all around Ubud.
What is it? A flower? And you do like a religious ritual, right? Thank you.
Ubud is about traditional medicine, about body's health, but also mental and spiritual health as well.
Lihat kita di seberangannya terus ditawarin
Yeah,
murah
a bit hot, huh?
Hot, eh?
A bit hot outside, but it's okay, not very hot. How many temples in Bali totally?
Oh,
Everywhere.
everywhere, huh? One, two, oh, many temple, huh?
Yeah, everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere, huh? In Lempuyang, far away, huh?
There are thousands of temples in Ubud alone and are famous for their beautiful Balinese architecture. They are located in wonderful natural places where you can enjoy the view and seek for blessing.
Yeah, take some photos. Thank you. Yes.
Yang tadi.
Thank you for watching. I hope to inspire you. If you enjoy my video, please give a like, share with others, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below and I will reply to you.